Near Avdiivka, Ukrainian pilots discovered a mountain of Russian anti-tank mines intended for mining roads, but they were detected in time and a drone with drops was already hovering over the mountain of mines. After the first drop, the mines do not detonate. Pilots tried again, but it was unsuccessful too. But luckily, there was still a third grenade left. Another drop. This time, the mines detonate, causing a very powerful explosion. After the explosion, the drone swayed and smoke rose high into the sky. I can only imagine what would have happened if a tank had run over it. In the following footage, the pilots noticed a Russian soldier lost somewhere in the middle of a field heading towards Ukrainian positions. He looks exhausted, but the drone actually made his life easier. The drone is approaching, but he doesn't seem to see or hear it and just keeps walking. This time, Ukrainian fighters spotted the movement of a Russian BM-21 Grad multiple rocket launcher, but pilots managed to intercept it in time. They hid very accurately in the back of one of the soldiers. These are video of 3 Russian soldiers in pokers. The last one steps on the mine. The others continued on their way, but not for long as an FPV drone is already flying towards the second one. The third decided to hide in the grass, but even there he was found. They made a fatal mistake. They did not find shelter, but simply stood in the open air where many Ukrainian birds fly. This was discovered using a thermal imaging camera in the middle of the bushes. Next, the Russian trench that failed to save another soldier. And this one wasn't waiting for the drone from the rear, but was looking the other way. There are 3 more here standing in a trench shooting back. The first drone is working accurately behind it. 2 new ones immediately follow, also doing their job. And a few minutes later, drone take out the third one. These are enemy ear-Z antennas with which they communicate by radio. And this shelter dismantles the fiber optic FPD drone. This one just tried to run away. Another Russian passenger car, this time without a crew. A few minutes later, the vehicle catches fire. Next, they practiced on Russian motorcycles, which they use every day to attack Ukrainian positions in small groups. These 2 were simply walking along the road to their positions, but they didn't make it. One of them even fell down from fear, and they didn't manage to escape. And these are very insidious weapons, simple strike drones that do not fly until they see a target to hit. Next, the Russian truck that delivered ammunition and fighters to the positions but did not manage to survive. In this case, the Russian cannon, which fired on Ukrainian soldiers every day, will no longer be able to do so. Next, practice shooting at aerial targets. These are the so-called Russian eyes that fly in the air and conduct reconnaissance of positions. In reality, it is quite difficult to hit and catch up with them as they are quite fast. However, experience and practice still help on the battlefield, and Ukrainian pilots managed to do this. And here, we see the same small groups of Russian assault soldiers on motorcycles heading to storm Ukrainian positions. This is not a very effective way to capture new territory, but given that the Russians don't care about their people, they manage to advance in this way and occupy more territory. Straight ahead, an enemy dugout. The pilot carefully flies the drone between the trees and flies right into it. An abandoned quad bike quite often seen on the battlefield. He believed a solid concrete pillar would protect him, but it might have only sealed his fate. Next, damage inflicted on an enemy tank. This shape looks suspiciously like a trash bag. In reality, it's a Russian soldier wrapped in an anti-drone cape. Another one figured that leafless trees would provide decent cover. This house used to be someone's home, filled with ordinary life. Now it serves as a hideout for Russian occupiers. Every now and then, though, justice catches up with them. One more was discovered hidden among the garbage. 3 tried to sprint into the building for safety, but not everyone made it. He was clutching his rifle, yet never heard the drone approaching. Drone-on-drone action. A Ukrainian FPV drone strikes from behind, slices the fiber optic cable, and the enemy drone drops dead. A truck loaded with Russian troops. And finally, a military truck paired with an armored vehicle.